Welcome back to Beaumont's Home Kitchen. Today we're making beef jerky again. But this time I'm gonna smoke it first. Then we're gonna finish it in the Ninja Foodie. So let's do it. So this is sirloin tip I used, and it cut it really thin. So we're gonna season it up and throw it in our smoker. Lay some lovely pieces of beef here so we can season them up. And I'm going to use some Creole Spice that I made myself, Creole seasoning. And at the end of the video, click the link for Creole seasoning. Simple, awesome seasoning you can make, and you can use in so many things. Definitely beef jerky. Spread out our little pieces like so. Yeah, I'm just spreading the pieces out on a few plates and get them all seasoned up there. I'm not too sure how much is going to fit in the smoker, but we'll figure it out. And if you have a few little pieces left over, you can save that and put it in next time you make ground beef. So don't throw that away. Some Creole Spice on our jerky. Yeah, pretty much all the spices I would use for the beef jerky is in here, so that'll work perfect. Might add just a touch more salt to the beef jerky, but season both sides. And what'll help the beef jerky dry out, use a touch more kosher salt. Help the beef jerky dry out a bit. Yeah, we're gonna flip them over. Oh yeah, smoked beef jerky. Oh, can't wait. It's gonna be good. Season the other side. I guess this is gonna be southern beef jerky. Beef jerky. So we're gonna toss our beef jerky in. The smoker is running a little colder today, and that's totally fine. That's what we want for the beef jerky. Like, I think it's sitting at about 150-ish. So I'm thinking that's good. It's colder out, so that's why the temperature is that way. All right, so it's smoking away. Looks like we can fit quite a bit in here. Oh, that's what I'm doing. Okay, I guess I know what I'm doing. I wasn't sure how much will fit, but I guess we can probably do another plate of jerky. Oh yeah, we can fit a whole lot more. That's the first round. So I'm gonna load this thing up full of beef jerky, and then we're gonna continue to smoke this thing. Take the beef jerky off. There's the beef jerky out of the smoker. Looking so good. Smells great. It's gonna finish her off in the dehydrator. Yeah, so we're gonna do 150 for an hour. And usually what happens is the bottom ones in the top will be cooked, and then we switch the ones in the bottom, put some more in, blah, blah, blah. So yeah, so an hour, 150 on the dehydrator. Beautiful smoke flavor. That's perfect. All right. Should be able to enjoy some nice beef jerky after 1 hour. Check it out. So it didn't take that long, because definitely don't want them to dry out. So beef jerky. Oh yeah, it's good. And there's some beef jerky. You just gotta wait until they're like a little bit dry. These ones need a bit more time, so it has such a nice smoky flavor. It's really good. Wonderful beef jerky. We'll have to give it a try. Beef jerky. Look at that. Give it a try. Ah, it's good. Lovely smoke flavor. The whole point. So good. Beef jerky. Thanks for watching Beaumont's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Love ya. And do make some beef jerky in the Ninja Foodie. And if you have a smoker, smoke it. It's so good. This makes it amazing. See you soon.